All right, everyone, welcome back. And we're back to working on the body work for the Dart. So I went ahead and finished up the passenger fender, and then I got the trunk there. I left it outside. It snowed. I didn't think it was going to, but I still got to do some final sanding on that, so that's not that big of a deal. And now we are on the driver's fender. I knew that there was some damage up in here, but turns out it's going to be a little bit more interesting to correct it. So let's go ahead. I'm going to set up the camera and start recording. Well, this is definitely not something that you normally ever want to see when doing body work, especially for restorations. So I had a large chunk come out of here, and it just revealed I just got a huge hole right there. And then I just keep digging further and further into that fender. So not something I want to see, and I still got a lot more Bondo to rip off. I'm starting to think that this fender is done. I might just have to order a whole new one. Well, it's day 2 on working on the body. I'm going to go ahead and just get right into it. So yesterday I discovered all the fun Bondo work that somebody else had done and just did a really poor job repairing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish stripping the entire fender. We're going to see if it's possible to cut this section out and just make a patch panel to fix this and make it look correct. So let's go ahead and get to it.
In audio.
So here I am with this. Would it be worth it to save this fender, cut out the damaged sections and weld in a new panel, or just order a new one? This is fun. So with the driver's fender being messed up, so I just figured I'd go ahead and just start working across the body, right? And I was going to start at the rear quarter. And then I get down to this. Someone riveted a patch panel in. They didn't weld it. They didn't seal it because I might want to be careful. I might get tetanus. Yeah, they just got a piece of metal and riveted in. That's great. Well, if you take pity on me, go ahead, throw a like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. If you've ever dealt with any shady stuff like this, where somebody has just done everything they can to cover up a really poor job of fixing things, please share that story. I want to hear these nightmares that you've dealt with. Y'all take it easy. I'll catch you on the flip side.